Imagine getting ripped without stepping foot in a gym. No expensive memberships, no fancy equipment, just pure raw strength. Curious? Let's dive into the world of calisthenics and street workouts, where your body is your ultimate tool. Ever felt stuck in a workout rut? Discover how bodyweight exercises can transform your fitness routine and unleash your inner beast. Stay with us and learn powerful moves that can be done anytime, anywhere. Ready to get strong? Exercise 1, push-ups. Let's start with the classic push-up. Get into a plank position, hands shoulder width apart, and lower yourself until your chest nearly touches the ground. Push back up. Simple, right? But oh so effective. Push-ups target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Feel the power in each rep. Exercise 2, pull-ups. Find a sturdy bar, grip it with palms facing away, and pull your body up until your chin clears the bar. Lower yourself back down slowly. Pull-ups are the ultimate test of upper body strength, hitting your back, biceps, and forearms. Can't do a full pull-up yet? No worries, start with assisted variations and work your way up. Exercise 3, dips. Ready to dip into the next move? Use parallel bars or the edge of a sturdy surface. Lower your body until your elbows are at a 90-degree angle, then push back up. Dips are fantastic for your triceps and chest. Feel that burn? That's progress. Exercise 4, squats. Time for some squats. Stand with feet shoulder width apart. Lower your body as if you're sitting back into a chair, then push through your heels to stand back up. Squats are the king of lower body exercises, working your quads, hamstrings, and glutes. Keep it deep and controlled. Exercise 5, L-sit. Let's challenge that core with an L-sit. Sit on the ground, place your hands beside your hips, and lift your legs off the ground, forming an L shape with your body. Hold as long as you can. The L-sit targets your abs and hip flexors. Tough, but incredibly rewarding. Exercise 6, handstand push-ups. How about defying gravity with handstand push-ups? Kick up into a handstand against a wall for support. Lower your head towards the ground, then push back up. This move is a killer for your shoulders and arms. Start with wall support, and soon you'll be freestanding. Exercise 7, pistol squats. Single leg squats or pistol squats are next. Extend one leg out in front, lower your body into a squat on the other leg, and push back up. Pistol squats are fantastic for balance and strength, hitting your quads, glutes, and calves. Balance is key, so take it slow. Exercise 8, plank variations. Let's hit the core again with plank variations. Start with a basic plank, then add side planks, forearm planks, and plank jacks to keep it interesting. Planks engage your entire core, improving stability and strength. Keep that body straight and tight. Exercise 9, muscle-ups. Ready for a big challenge? Try muscle-ups. Jump into a pull-up, then transition into a dip by pushing your chest above the bar. Muscle-ups are the ultimate display of upper body strength and coordination. They're tough, but practice makes perfect. Exercise 10, burpees. Love them or hate them. Burpees are a full body burner. Start standing, drop into a squat, kick your feet back into a plank, do a push-up, jump your feet back to your hands, and explode into a jump. Burpees torch calories and build strength and endurance. Exercise 11, box jumps. Explosive power time with box jumps. Find a sturdy surface, jump up with both feet, and land softly. Step down and repeat. Box jumps build explosive strength in your legs and improve cardiovascular fitness. And there you have it, calisthenics and street workouts that can be done anywhere. Embrace the power of bodyweight exercises and unlock your potential. Ready to get started? Let's go!